As children and young people, we experience all sorts of challenges in life, and sometimes we need to reach out to someone for help. These issues could be about relationships, mental health, physical health, emotions, education, self-harm, or even suicide. If we don't know where to go for help, if we feel we're not being listened to, if we find it hard to express ourselves, or if we don't know how to put our rights into action, these problems can get worse and it puts us in harm's way. That's why Make was created. Make is a free and confidential helpline service that we can contact by phone, text, instant message or email. Make ensures our voice is listened to and taken seriously by advisors who are there for us. They give us advice, and side by side we gather the information we need to be able to actively and confidently do something about our situation. And if we still feel we can't do this for ourselves, they can speak on our behalf. That's because Make is also an advocacy helpline. In fact, it was the first universal advocacy helpline in the UK. Whether it's information, advice or advocacy for children and young people in Wales, with Make, there's always someone on your side. If your life is in a bit of a tangle, grab the Make